All right, good morning, trade pros. Welcome to our morning market update for Friday, March 23rd of 2018. This is George Papasoff from Trade Pro Academy. This is my last day out of this location, this Airbnb. I continue on with my travels through California. I'm excited to get moving now. I've been here for a while, but I'll tell you guys this much. The markets are not as excited as I tend to be. Right now, markets are getting absolutely killed. In Japan, stocks are down 4.5%. Hong Kong down 2.5%. China down 3.4%. India down 1.2%. Carnage across the Asian session after Donald Trump imposes tariffs on China and exempts the European Union and other countries. So basically, he says, I'm going to put sanctions and tariffs on everybody except Europe, except this country, except that country, just you, China. Come to think of it, just you. You're going to be the only one with a tariff. And China is one of the biggest exporters to the United States. Not one of, they are the biggest exporter, so they're going to be impacted the most. So obviously, Chinese stocks in Asia, Hong Kong sessions down quite a bit. China mainland's down quite a bit as well. So they're feeling the pressure. Chinese president has responded saying they're going to put over $3 billion worth of tariffs on the United States on over 120 products as well. So the trade war is on. I told you guys a couple of days ago there's a danger of a trade war starting, one which would be just as bad as a real war. Today, this morning, that's an actuality. It's a fact. It's factual. There's a trade war. It's official as of the point that Russia responded. In response to this trade war, you're going to see a lot of assets go up that haven't done well in the recent past, like gold. Gold's up to 1347.20 and continuing its bid and ascent. I think 1358 should be a good overhead resistance on gold. I don't see it just breaking that level in one swift shot. It's going to pull back and give you a chance to get long again. All right, equity markets are down a lot. At some point yesterday, there was talk of a halt, which means a circuit breaker at a 7% drop, and then it's 13%, then 20% halt overall. 20% is a huge drop, by the way. But yeah, there was talk of a circuit breaker. I think volatility this morning is going to spike. Equities are down all over the board. Oil prices having a hard time breaking above the 66. They tried 65.83 overnight, couldn't get that number. Bonds are pretty weak after the Fed raised interest rates, so we're seeing a bearish move all across the board on all markets, and bullish move across those that are safe haven assets or that experience positive flow of money when equities are being sold off. Because think about this. If you're a big hedge fund manager, institutional manager, and you sell all these equities out of fear, where are you going to put that cash? You're not going to keep it in cash. You're going to put it somewhere else. What's a safe haven? Gold tends to be a safe haven. Bonds tend to be a safe haven. And many have forecasted, hey, Bitcoin will be a safe haven as well. It doesn't look like it. Bitcoin's down around 1,000 as well in the past 2 days. So no asset seems to be safe from the sell-off in this trade war. Even the US dollar is falling down below 90 once again and holding that price level for the first time since March 7th. All right. A lot of bearishness here. In the United States, Dow Jones is down 0.8%. NASDAQ is down 1.1%. S&P is down 0.6%. Crude oil holding some of their gains up 0.3%. Gold up 1.1% overall. All right, this morning we don't have too much news. We had Fed's Bostic speak, and at 8:30 we got durable goods, which has already happened. 10 a.m. we have new home sales, and at 1 p.m. we have the Baker Hughes rig count, which is going to impact your oil market a significant amount. And Baker Hughes just measures the number of rigs out there in the United States that are drilling and extracting oil. So it's pretty much a measure of the United States oil output. And it's going to be very important. That's at 1 p.m. today if you're trading oil. I won't be around till 1 p.m. Here's what I'll tell you guys as well. Going into the end of today's session, going into the close, you got to be careful holding equity over the weekend. There might be a little bit of a recovery, or we might open on Monday with a gap down. You know what a gap down means? It means nobody gets to trade and it just drops down whatever, 0.5%. It could be whatever it is depending on these developments. 2 days is a lot of time for you to sit there in the abyss and a black hole and not know how this is being priced. One of the biggest challenges of this entire trade war is traders have no idea how to price that into the market. They have no idea. Nobody knows. All right, if you're looking for direction, you're looking for something that's not possible. You have to look to take responsibility first. Don't look to find out where's this thing going. Just get there. Your job is to make money. And I would ask for the people who are constantly looking for the next move or the next direction, I would ask them, would it be okay with you if you didn't know where the market was going, but you still made money? Would that be okay? And if the answer to that is no, I have nothing for you, because that's how I trade. I don't look for any direction. I just see it and then capitalize on it. I can't predict it. I can't forecast where gold is going to go. So as a trader, that's what you have to do. You have to let go of the belief and notion that you're going to be right and start looking to be profitable, because that's actually going to pay your bills. Don't look to be right. Look to make money. That's my advice for you. Right now, the trend is down early on in the session in equities. We're going to look to sell rallies early on, and then if the bulls put some pressure, look to buy dips as well. And as long as you're doing either one of those two things, you'll do just fine today. All right. Join us in our trading room. We trade every morning, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern. Right after this morning market update, we go into our trading room, set up levels, open up the mic for a few of our members. It's a very collaborative and community-driven experience, and I want to see you guys try it out. I want to see you there. All right, we do magical things on a daily basis. We move mountains daily. Today, it looks like we're going to move Everest. You're in for an exciting finish to the week. I hope you had a great week so far. It's been opportunistic. As a day trader, there's no way you haven't made money this week if you're trading like a trade pro. There's just been way too much opportunity, too much moves, and today's going to be no different. Look for a little bit of early morning bullishness, sell that rally, and then the afternoon market might do a little bit of a recovery, but we're down a lot. I don't see us climbing out of this hole in one single day. Okay, you guys have a great day. Have an awesome weekend. Saturday at 1 p.m. we have a video coming out talking about the life circle and how it could change your trading single-handedly with this one video and change your life. That's coming out Saturday at 1 p.m. Sunday at 1 p.m. I haven't shot the video yet, but there's going to be some fun stuff. All right, Eastern, by the way, that's our YouTube schedule. And then Monday, we're back on these morning market updates. All right, at 9 a.m. I'll see you guys then. Take care. Have yourselves an awesome weekend. You've worked hard this week. Spend some time with your family and loved ones. I wish you guys nothing but the very best. Get some rest, and I'll catch up with you on Monday for another week of trading. Take care. Have a great day. Manage your risks today and trade like a trade pro. Over and out.